right. Sane, here on the right, is one of OKO's 10,000 customers. He's a 28-year-old farmer in Mali who grows rice on a plot of land of 2 hectares. Now, if it doesn't rain, by the end of this week, Sane could lose all his harvest, all the revenue that him and his family are counting on for the next 6 months. You think this is unfair? Well, it is a situation for the largest part of the world population. 500 million families globally live from unirrigated agriculture. Thankfully for Sane, he's insured with OKO. OKO provides affordable weather insurance to protect farmers from financial distress and is accessible anywhere, at any time, from any mobile phone. So what's the problem? Why are these farmers still uninsured? The thing is, traditional crop insurance were never designed for these smallholder farmers. Sending an agent on site to verify the extent of the damages is not scalable. On top of that, how do you sell to someone like Sane, who lives far from any city, has no bank account, and never received financial education? OKO, on the contrary, offers insurance that is fully automated, paperless, affordable, and accessible even if you don't have a bank account. This works from any phone, even without internet connectivity, as you can see here. So how do we do that? It's very simple. First, farmers dial a short code to connect with us and receive a personalized quote. Next, farmers pay a small premium through mobile money and start to be covered. Third, OKO uses satellite data to monitor the fields. And if we identify that the field has been affected by adverse weather, we automatically compensate farmers with a financial compensation. The beautiful thing is that with 2 seasons per year and 500 million farms in need for such a solution, this is not only a social problem, it's a huge business opportunity. We estimate it's about $17 billion opportunity just waiting to be taken. We started our operations in Mali, where we, in 2020, where we trained and equipped a team of agents, like you can see on screen, who went to meet farmers and educate them about insurance. 2 years later, we're already covering 17,000 hectares of land, making us the largest crop insurance in the country. We paid also $170,000 in claims, which makes, which proves that the model is working. Our business model is simple. We take a commission from the revenues that we generate from the partnering insurance company. We partner with local insurance companies who underwrite the product, and we pay the claims. We at OKO, we design the product, and we distribute it, and we collect premiums on behalf of the insurance company. Thanks to our early traction, we closed a seed round of $1.2 million last year. This helped us accelerate our growth and launch in 2 new countries. We have the objective to cover 1 million farmers by 2025. To do so, we can count on our partners, Allianz, Orange, and Touton. We can leverage the Pan-African footprint to enter many African markets. As I said, we launched this year in 2 new countries. So we launched in Uganda, and we're now about to launch in Ivory Coast. We are the best. We're the best position to scale up because we provide an end-to-end solution. Now look at the amazing team that we've put together to overcome this challenge. Our CTO, Sherzad, comes from the 1 Acre Fund. Raphael, our head of products, comes from one of the leading reinsurers. And Ferdinand and I worked for Bima, which became, in the past few years, the world leader in life and health microinsurance. To sum up, OKO can unlock a $17 billion opportunity for insurance companies. We can serve the need felt by billions of people around the world and provide mobile operators with a relevant service that takes full advantage of their mobile money services. We now invite you to join us in this adventure because we know that with the right partners, we can develop the most impactful insurance product ever created. Thank you.